Welcome back to another beautiful dream engagement. Today we are in the beautiful city of Miami Gardens, right here at Hard Rock Stadium, where we are engaging in our partners with the purpose here on STEM on the track. We want to give a big shout out to our partners, Verizon, the Miami Dolphins community, and of course, we have our Dream Scholars here with us today. Dream big! Today, our Dream Scholars are going to engage in 3 different engagements right here in the stadium. They're going to be building their own solar cars, where they're going to be learning about reusable energy sources.
I'm from Verizon.
So very quickly, my name is Robert Stevens. I am your vice chair for the city of Miami Gardens.
Our students are engaging in AI technology, learning about coding. And lastly, they're going to do a tour right here on the very track. And as always, it's a beautiful day here at STEM.
Are you ready?